Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Mailchimp for SEO-friendly content distribution step by step clearly. To configure Mailchimp for SEO-friendly content distribution, begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, navigate to the campaign dashboard. Select the Create Campaign button to start a new campaign. Choose the email option and select regular for the type of email campaign. Give your campaign a distinctive and relevant name in the campaign name field. Click on Begin to proceed to the next step. Next, in the To section, select your audience or segment for distribution. In the From section, ensure your email address and name are set up correctly. Now, in the subject line, craft a compelling subject that includes relevant keywords. Click on the Design Email button to choose a template that aligns with your content. For SEO, use a clean and responsive template for better performance across devices. In the Content section, start with a strong headline that incorporates primary keywords. Use subheadings to break up text and include secondary keywords for better readability. Incorporate images relevant to your content, and ensure they have alt text with SEO-rich descriptions. Add links to your website or blog posts to drive traffic back to your content. Make sure to include a clear call to action that encourages engagement. After designing the email, review the layout to ensure mobile friendliness. Next, navigate to the Settings tab and check the tracking options. Activate link tracking to measure engagement with your links. Ensure social media links are included, optimizing them for your brand's visibility. Set up Google Analytics tracking by entering your Google Analytics UTM parameters. Once all settings are configured, review each section to ensure accuracy and SEO optimization. Finally, click on Schedule or Send to distribute your email at the ideal time for your audience. After distribution, monitor engagement metrics to refine future campaigns for SEO success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.